Hey everybody, Thrift Store Hacker back again, and I am trying to solve a little bit of a winter problem that we have. Is our wall heater that's in our living room here the air has to make basically a 90-degree turn to go off into our bedroom. So I'm trying to figure out a way to probably put a couple of fans. I'm going to put a couple of fans, or one fan right here, and it's going to blow through the back of this and kind of put some hot air out into the bedroom. But I don't want to turn this fan off and on all the time as this kicks on and off. And I really don't want to, just leave it continuously running. So we're going to wire something up that's pretty simple and make ourselves a little air diverter for the bedroom. My solution to this is pretty simple. We're going to use a computer case fan. We're going to use a 12-volt power supply. We're going to use a really small fuse. And some of these, which are temperature control switches. So when the hot air is blowing out of the heater, as long as I have one of these in the path, and these are normally open switches, so until it heats up, it doesn't close the circuit, and when it closes the circuit, it'll turn the fan on. So as long as I have this in the heater's path, it should be able to kick the fan on and off. I'm also going to put it kind of close to the fan, so when the heater kicks off, the fan won't run for too long and it'll blow on this thing and make it cool. So it'll just make it switch off a little bit faster. So this is what I got going on. I got this little box. This little piece is in here just to kind of divert the air that way and it doesn't cavitate in the corner. And that fits right in there. I'll have to put a top on it. We're just about set up. You see I have the temperature sensor. I'll show you there. Mounted there, and the airflow through here should kick that off pretty quick when the heater shuts off. But we have everything set up, wiring all done. I got it wired up to that. So let's go put it in front of the heater and see if it works the way we need it to. So we got the heater on. I timed it. It took about 2 minutes. And the fan in there kicked on. So that's working pretty good. Let's see how long it takes to kick off. Well, that seemed to work out pretty good. The fan shut off about 60 seconds after the cool down fan on the heater, so that's not too bad. And it'll just sit there and cycle on and off as it gets hot and cold. Doesn't take up too much space. Blows all the heat out across the floor here into the bedroom. I think this is going to work out. I think the next upgrade I'm going to need is go find an old biscuit tin or something like that I can replace that foam box that I made with. And we're good to go. So that's all I have for you today. Until next time, build stuff and have fun.